This is the summary created from the video. Lecture 37, Managing Stress. Stress is a crucial topic that arises from various causes and has significant consequences for individuals and society, making it a major risk factor according to the World Health Organization. Stress stems from life events related to work, environment, health, and relationships, disturbing the body's homeostasis and leading to physical and mental impacts like asthma, blood pressure issues, heart disease, cancer, and emotional turmoil. Moderate stress enhances performance by increasing motivation, while low or high stress can diminish it, with excessive levels leading to frustration, burnout, and negative attitudes. Stress follows an inverted U-shaped curve pattern in relation to performance. According to demand control model, stress occurs when environmental demands exceed an individual's control or ability, creating an imbalance where skills are inadequate to meet job demands, with stress intensity depending on factors like duration, complexity, and predictability of stresses. Environmental factors like economic, political, and technological uncertainty, as well as organizational factors like demands, roles, interpersonal conflicts, leadership, and time pressure, can trigger stress, while conflicting roles between work and personal life lead to role stress, and personality traits, family problems, and economic issues act as individual stressors. The consequences of stress can manifest in physiological issues like heart disease, ulcers, and sleep disturbances, psychological effects like job dissatisfaction, emotional exhaustion, and mood disturbances, as well as behavioral consequences such as lower job performance, accidents, faulty decisions, and absenteeism, with workplace aggression and burnout also being potential outcomes of prolonged stress. Vulnerability to stress can be indicated by physiological markers like headaches, emotional markers like anxiety, and behavioral markers like substance abuse, while in organizations stress leads to absenteeism, turnover, low commitment, and distorted decision-making, with life events like death, divorce, job loss, and relationship troubles being major sources of stress. Internal factors like locus of control, self-efficacy, optimism, and social support can help individuals cope with stress. And stress management involves identifying personal resources and support systems to mitigate negative impacts. Receiving tangible informational and emotional support, as well as practicing simple techniques like deep breathing, sleep, positive thinking, time management, simplifying life, getting organized, taking breaks, exercise, healthy eating, and seeking help can aid in managing stress effectively. Both Western relaxation techniques like deep breathing, exercise, and meditation, as well as Eastern practices like Shavasana, Yoga Nidra, and self-affirmations, along with lesser-known methods like creative visualization, cognitive behavioral techniques, and biofeedback, can help reduce stress, with organizations increasingly adopting yoga and meditation during office hours to alleviate employee burnout. Stress affects performance and overall well-being in all areas of life, and self-awareness through a stress questionnaire can identify stress levels, enabling individuals to practice suitable stress management techniques, as stress can escalate like fire if left unchecked, making active management through traditional and evidence-based approaches crucial for effective stress control. Please stay tuned for more summary videos.